I started drinking matcha green tea when I was in Japan 5 years ago, but I never really knew the health benefits until I started looking into it recently. It is now an essential part of my morning routine. In this video, I'm going to go through all the health benefits of green tea and finally what I add to it to really boost its impact, so keep watching. Weight loss. Matcha green tea contains catechins, which are antioxidants that have been shown to boost metabolism and help weight loss. In a study published in the Journal of American Medical Association, people who drank matcha green tea for 12 weeks lost more weight and body fat than those who drank placebo. So in this study in 2009, 122 overweight or obese adults were randomly assigned to drink either matcha green tea or a placebo for 12 weeks. The matcha green tea group drank 4-ounce servings of matcha green tea per day, while the placebo group drank 4 8-ounce servings of placebo that looked and tasted like matcha green tea, but did not contain any catechins. At the end of the 12 weeks, the matcha green tea group has lost an average of 2.3 pounds, which equals 1 kilogram of body weight, while the placebo group had lost just an average of 0.3 kilograms. The matcha green tea group also had a significantly greater decrease in body fat percentage and waist circumference than the placebo group. This is because of the following 3 reasons. Increased metabolism. The catechins in matcha green tea can boost metabolism and help the body burn more calories. Suppressed appetite. Matcha green tea group reduced fat absorption. The catechins in matcha green tea can help reduce fat absorption. Other benefits of green tea include improved heart health. Green tea contains catechins, like I've said. Catechins can help reduce cholesterol levels, reduced risk of cancer, improved cognitive function, boosted immunity, improved mood. Matcha green tea is made up from ground up whole tea leaves, which means that it contains more catechins and other antioxidants than regular green tea. This is why matcha green tea is often considered to be more beneficial for health than regular green tea. Now, to give this tea a boost, I had a shot of apple cider vinegar. Now, I must warn you, this doesn't taste the best. It's a bit like lemon lemsip for sore throats, but you develop a taste for it after a while. Trust me, adding this to green tea provides an extra boost to weight loss benefits. The matcha green tea can boost metabolism and help the body burn more calories, while the apple cider vinegar can help to suppress appetite and make you feel fuller for longer. It also improves digestion. Apple cider vinegar is a natural digestive aid that can help to improve digestion and reduce constipation. Matcha green tea also contains catechins, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties that can help to improve gut health. Skin health. Matcha green tea is a good source for antioxidants, which can help to protect skin from damage caused by free radicals. Apple cider vinegar also has antibacterial and antifungal properties to help to keep the skin clear and healthy. Reduce blood sugar levels. Apple cider vinegar has been shown to help reduce blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. Boosted immunity. Both matcha green tea and apple cider vinegar contain antioxidants that can help boost the immune system. Drink this every morning, about 2 hours after waking up, and it won't take long before you see the benefits. Thanks for watching.